Are you looking for a Notion AI subscription at a cheap price? Then this video is for you. Watch the full video carefully because today I'll show you how you can get Notion AI at a lower cost, safely, quickly, and without hassle. As you probably already know, Notion AI has become extremely popular for productivity, note-taking, content writing, brainstorming, task management, and AI-powered workspace automation. But for many users, the official subscription cost can feel expensive, especially if you use it daily for study, work, or content creation. I was facing the same issue myself. I wanted access to premium Notion AI features without paying a high monthly price. So I started searching for a smarter and more affordable option. After trying different marketplaces and websites, the platform that felt the most reliable to me was P2P Marketplace. This marketplace offers fast delivery, secure payment systems, responsive support, trusted sellers for digital subscriptions and accounts. From here, you can easily find Notion AI subscription offers at lower prices. Depending on the seller, you may also find different plans and account options that match your needs and budget. One thing I personally liked is that the process felt simple, fast, and convenient. You don't need to waste time searching multiple websites every time you need a premium subscription. And the best part is, it's not just Notion AI available there. You can also find AI premium subscriptions, streaming subscriptions, gaming accounts, social media accounts, other digital products and services. That makes the marketplace much more useful if you regularly purchase digital subscriptions online. But here's something important you should always remember. Before buying any subscription or account, carefully review the product details and seller information. Always make sure you understand exactly what is included in the offer so your buying experience stays safe and smooth. From my own experience, compared to many other marketplaces I tested, this platform felt easier, faster, and more reliable overall. So if you want to get a Notion AI subscription at a cheaper price and do it safely and conveniently, then you should definitely check out P2P Marketplace.